Hi, welcome to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Hubert. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make do-it-yourself painting clips. Of course, you can buy ones, but making them is extremely easy and will give you a lot of satisfaction. Before we start, I would like to invite you to my Instagram profile. You will find there materials that were not published on YouTube. Have a nice show! You will need some basic tools to make the clips. Pliers, glue. I used a silicone one because I had it. A mini grinder or other cutting tool. I made the clips from the sharpened sticks. I recommend the flat tip large toothpicks. You can also use disposable sushi sticks, although in my opinion they were a bit too thick. Of course you will need also the crocodile clamps. The smaller the better. I got mine in a popular discount store. The cost is about $5 for 80 pieces. If the sticks are too long or too wide, you can cut them to the appropriate size. Remember about safety glasses and a mask. After shortening, it is worth grinding the top of the stick. It will be easier for you to apply the clamp. Before assembly, apply a little glue and squeeze the whole thing lightly with the pliers. The clamps I have purchased have a rubber clamp that masks sharp edges. There is no need to apply additional glue. When squeezed with pliers, it will most likely flow a little from under the clamp. And that's it! It took me a little over an hour to make the complete set of the clamps. I recommend buying crocodile clips in at least two colors. If you paint elements from two different models at the same color, you will easily differentiate the parts from each box. And that's it for today's episode. Thank you for the time spent together. If you don't have ones, I hope that this short guide will inspire you to make your own painting clips. If you have any comments about the movie, please let me know in the comment section below. I also invite you to subscribe my channel. See you next time!